What's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. I wanted to know, this video is going to be a little bit about RE, real estate. And I wanted to know, because lately I've been looking into, without owning real estate, without the hassles, the cons of real estate ownership, I've been looking into sponsors, also known as syndication groups. And basically, it's usually like an organization where they have experts, an expert or a team of experts, a team most likely. You invest and they find the deals for you. And you can invest with, let's say, even a minimum of 15 grand, depending obviously on the syndication. And just wanted to ask for you guys' help out there if you knew of any syndication groups. And from what I understand, there's like two laws, 503B and 503C rules, filings. A 503B, which is the one I think I'm looking for, is when they're not allowed to advertise, but you don't have to be an accredited investor, which, for those of you who don't know, an accredited investor is if you have a net worth of at least $1 million, not including your personal residence, and you've made $200,000 or more in the last 24 months, and you can show documentation that that's going to happen again in the upcoming year. So anyway, with a 503B, they're not allowed to do any advertising, but they must have a pre-existing relationship with you, the client, which could be simply the form of a phone call, where if they're a good sponsor, syndication, they get to interview you, they get to learn about you, and you should also interview them. So, and I have a couple of questions in mind on the interviewing them part. Okay, I have a couple of questions in mind, and you guys let me know if these are good questions. I think they are, but I'm looking for help in this arena. For anyone out there, they want to know about you, like if it's what your goals are, your objectives, and if you're a good fit for them, a good investor in what would be most likely a group of investors, and not just simply let you plunk down your money without getting to know you, a little bit about you, your objectives, your goals, your risk tolerance, things like that. Okay? So we have that part. All right? And the questions that me as the client, right? Because that's what I'm trying to be. And this is a possibility, this is off the top of my head. This is a possibility of an idea, an action, that I'd like to take in the future. So yeah, some of the questions that I would like to ask them is, who's the guarantor of their loans, for example. I want to know that I'm investing in this next investment vehicle, what kind of properties they have. For example, if they specialize in $5 million apartments, let's say 100 unit, $5 million apartment buildings, And they have this next investment opportunity is and all they've done is that. And now this next investment opportunity is a 50 million 200 unit apartment building, and it's their first one. Then I may not want to go with them. I want to go where they have a forte in something. I want to do that. Go where they have some strength in something. And so then I also want to ask, I want to have that initial relationship. And, not to mention that's a prerequisite anyway. You have to have that in order for for you to be qualified. So instead of looking for the deal, the situation here is to look for the sponsor instead of looking for the real estate deal. So just let me know what you guys think, if you guys know anything about this out there. Apparently it's becoming more common. It's not a new thing. It's just becoming a little more common. And I just wanted to know if any of you guys have any experience with that. And if it's a good route to take, as opposed to real ownership, like a rental and whatnot. So, yeah. Let me know. It's called real estate syndications or sponsors. Okay? Let me know. This is Rafe West. Trying to get some information on that. Let me know. I'm trying to get into it, looking into that, and then how you go about finding these sponsors. It could be in conferences, it could be meetups through some investor groups and stuff that you may join. It could be things like that. So this is Rafe West. Just some RE talk here. Let me know if you guys out there know anything about this, and if you could help me out, kind of search around for this. Okay, this is Rafe West, over and out. Please like and subscribe. Take care, everyone. Peace.